Today we're gonna open a daycare from Five Below. It came with a clay old rock and some tools. So first we have a hammer and a scene. I'm not allowed to say it. Comment down below if you know what it is. And then we have a magic key. What's it called? Magnifying glass.
Chisel.
It's a shovel. Chisel and a brush to clean them off.
Okay, put the slaughter here, okay? Watch out, watch your fingers.
Oh, that's cool. I'll try.
See, he's making a little hole. Be careful.
Time to die walk. You how silly you are.
Two hours later.
So I think we found a gem, but he looks like a jasper.
Jasper rock.
Jasper rock. Okay, we just found it out of this thing.
Yep, we just broke it in half, huh?
Yeah, let me look. Ow! Go. Okay, guys, look what we found. It's a jasper. And look, we got it out. And there's another one right here. Where was it again? Right here? Is this? Oh, that looks so cute.
You point it. You want to point it?
Yeah, it's right here. Comment down below if you already got this. This is a lazuli crystal. Look at it. It's so cool.
Like a gem, huh?
We broke the rock in half and found another gem, said Baby the G. Let's open this bad boy. Yeah. This might be the cold crystal. Okay.
Show 'em close up?
Yeah.
Okay. So this might be the quartz crystal instead, and this one I think might be the red agate.
The crystals.
And their name.
And the name of
Quartz,
cold,
jasper,
jasper,
red agate,
red agate,
pyrite,
highlight,
and lazurite.
lazurite, and look at all these things that we found that we were faking as dinosaur bones. See them? What? And like, comment down below and subscribe and share this video. Bye!